1, go. And we've got 2 Red Alliance robots moving in the autonomous period. It looks like they've parked in the zone.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
We've now entered the teleoperated portion of the match, and Cerberus comes out strong for the Red Alliance, putting 1 cone onto that low junction point. Not to be outdone, Storm on the Blue Alliance is lined up. They're going to put a cone onto the high junction point. That'll be good for 5 points. SEK Robotics, they've dropped a cone into the far terminal. They're trying to set up for a circuit, it seems, in this match. Their alliance partner, Cerberus, lined up with the cone on that high junction point. Will get it to stick for now. If they keep control, that'll help them build their circuit. Blue Alliance, Team Storm lines up, attempting to score another high junction point cone, and it does land, so that should be good for their team. Red Alliance, though, strikes back almost immediately. Cerberus, good for another 5 points. They are started lining up for another circuit piece as Cerberus has picked up a cone along with their signal, trying to get that extra rank point. It looks like they're going to park. Expired. It is going to be the Red Alliance taking that match with the score of 113-18. A whopping 50.